Congratulations if you're watching this right now. See, whether you're a small creator, you're new to YouTube, you just started your channel, I want to quickly show you a particular feature that will help your channel grow. Take your channel to the next level. See, I can beat my chest that if you implement what I want to show you in this video, in the next 2 to 3 months, you're going to hit monetization threshold. I am 100% sure of that. But it actually depends on if you implement what I want to show you in this video. Guys, YouTube is now on easy mode, and I'm not capping at all. And this particular feature is really going to help you. I'm not talking about the regular go to your YouTube studio, go to turn this on, turn that off. This is different. Guys, I've not seen any creator here on YouTube talk about this particular feature, and that is why I am bringing this update to you right now, to your face, that you need to quickly go and hop on it. Go and turn on this easy mode on your YouTube studio so that your channel performance can start skyrocketing. Guys, when I saw this, I was so wild. I was so happy. I was like, no, I need to quickly come film this for my guys. So if you really want to grow your channel, you're really tired of low views, no subscribers, no watch hours, no visibility, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing 4 important benefits of utilizing this particular feature right now. It is actually a very brand new feature that YouTube just introduced to us recently, and it is really going to help you as a small creator. All right, so without much being said, I'm just going to take you straight into the main video on this particular feature that I'm talking about and how you can utilize it. Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Buki. On this channel I share tips that can help you grow fast on YouTube. I share tips you need to avoid as a YouTuber so you don't get into trouble. So if this sounds like what you want for your channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, if you have any questions, do well to drop me a comment in the comment section. Now, for you to utilize this particular feature that I'm talking about, you actually need to have at least 2 to 3 videos or more on your channel, because this particular feature is going to work for you based on what you've uploaded on your channel before. All right, and if you've not uploaded any video on your channel, or you're still thinking about what to do, please, after watching this video, I need you to go right to your YouTube channel and start uploading content so that you can take your channel to the next level. Now, for you to use this feature, you can't find it on your YouTube studio. So that is why I always emphasize that always check your YouTube studio, the Chrome version. Okay, so you can just go to your Chrome browser or Safari and type studio.youtube.com. I'm just going to make this practical. I'm going to drop a screen record here. Now, once you log on to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, you're going to see the interface like this, right? You can see at the right side of your YouTube studio, which is the upper part, you can see that we have this search icon, comments, this question mark, then this star icon and notification, then we have create. Now this is where we are going. You see this star icon, it is a hidden feature that most creators don't even know that they have it on their YouTube studio, and it was just rolled out. Okay, so just click on this particular star icon. Now once you click on the star icon, you're going to see this Ask Studio. You see this particular tool, it is a game changer. It's just like YouTube is assigning someone in form of AI to help you grow your channel. Okay, so whenever you're stuck, whenever you're out of ideas, whenever you don't know what to do, this is what you should come to. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to use it. Now, hello daily tips with Buki, how can I help you? Now, the number 1 benefit of using this particular feature is that it is going to summarize or help you analyze your best performing videos. Okay, and it can also help you analyze your videos that flop. That is the video that didn't do well on your channel. Now let me be practical. Let me show you something. Recently I uploaded a video on my channel and the video did not do well, so I'm just going to ask it on what to do and how to analyze that particular video, and also give me solution that can help my channel grow. So let's start with that. I'm just going to ask it, hi, so my recent video did not do well. What do you think went wrong, and how can I improve in my next video? So let me send it. Let's see what it has to give to me. Okay, so it's actually reviewing my request, looking through your content. Now this is the best part. ChatGPT cannot give you this. ChatGPT cannot analyze your channel. ChatGPT can only give you idea on what to do. But you see this particular feature, it is inside your YouTube channel itself, whereby it has access to know everything about your channel, where you're doing well, your best performing videos, your videos that didn't do well, when your analytics are going up. Just watch. Let's see. Now look at this. It looks like your latest video, how to apply for YouTube monetization, is actually performing right within your channel typical range of views and engagement for daily tips with Bookie. However, there are some clear signals in the data that point to why it might feel it is slowing down and blah 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 blah. Now, what is working well? Your state to watch ratio is solid, which is 68.7%, which is at the high end of your typical performance. Now look at how this particular feature broke down everything and the areas to improve, recommended. Like, look at how this particular feature broke down everything for me. If you know how to use this, that is why I said YouTube is now on easy mode. If you know how to use this very, very well, you're going to see changes on your channel. Now, let me head to the second benefit of this particular feature. The second benefit is that whenever you run out of idea, you can actually come to this Ask Studio to come ask it to give you content ideas, okay, in your niche. Yes, it is actually going to dish out a whole lot. Let me just type it. Let's see what it is actually going to bring for us. Okay, so now I'm just going to ask it, give me next content ideas you think will blow my channel and also resonate with my audience. Okay, because I'm actually making videos for my audience. So let's actually let's send it to see what it is, you know, going to send to me. Now look at it, see how sweet this particular feature is. To help your channel daily tip with Bookie reach your next level, I have analyzed your most successful content and hundreds of comments from small YouTuber community. Your audience are incredibly hungry for these two things, which is monetization clarity and tangible growth hacks for channels with fewer than 100 subscribers. Based on high interest in your recent earning videos and the specific fears your viewers have about application process, here are 4 videos tailored to blow up your reach. The first one, monetization rejection checklist. The small create, like how it brought out different video ideas for me. Okay, you can also use this to generate scripts. Do you understand? Now, the third benefit of using this is that it is actually going to analyze your video analytics. Yes, I know there are times that we as a creator, you're going to put so much energy into making a particular video, from the research, the filming, the editing, and the optimization on YouTube. Okay, and then after uploading that particular video, you don't get views. You end up getting 0 views. You end up getting 10 views. You can actually use this particular feature to analyze and summarize the video analytics. Now let me show us practical way in which you can do that also. Now let me ask it, help me analyze my last video from the YouTube analytics. You're going to agree with me that on your YouTube studio there are a lot of things you need to, you know, understand as a creator, from the CTR, the impression, the engagement, the audience retention, and a whole lot of them like that. Even from your audience, the age. You don't need to stress yourself over going to your YouTube studio to start analyzing that one by one again. All you need to do is just come to this feature and ask it to analyze that particular video for you, and it is going to break down everything. Why that video did not do well, why your audience did not watch, where your audience stopped watching, why your audience did not click on the video. It is actually going to analyze it, okay, so that you're not going to repeat that same mistake in your next video. Now to the last most important benefit of this particular feature. There are still more, but I'm just going to mention 4. For the 4th benefit, this is for most creators that don't have enough data on their YouTube studio. You're going to agree with me that there are some features you can't access on your YouTube studio because you don't have much content. It is actually going to tell you that you don't have enough data to be able to, you know, get this information, especially when it comes to the timing in which your audience are most active here on YouTube, right? So if you don't have enough data, you can't have access to know the timing in which your audience are most active. And the timing in which your audience are most active is very important for you to know as a creator, because if you upload at the time that your audience are not active, you may likely not get views at that time, no matter how good the video is. Okay, early engagement is very, very important for your channel, especially if you newly uploaded a video. Okay, so now this is when this feature comes in. You can ask this particular feature that, when do you think is the best time for me to upload my videos here on YouTube, according to the analysis of how my viewers have been watching my videos recently. Since you don't have the access or you don't have enough data for the YouTube studio to show you the best time in which your audience are most active, active, just ask this feature. It is going to recommend the best time in which you can upload your videos for you to actually get that enough data. So you see how good this particular feature is. That is why I said YouTube is now on easy mode, if only you know how to use this particular feature. So right now I need you to go to your YouTube studio to go and use this particular feature to your own benefit. If you use it consistently and you work with it hand to hand, trust me, in the next 2 to 3 months you're going to hit monetization, because it will keep giving you ideas on the next video to work on. And trust me, every of your next video is going to be better than your previous video. Okay, so if you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye and take care.